Welcome to the icy depths of the North Pacific, a realm where the water is frigid and the environment is as harsh as it is beautiful. Here, amongst the dense kelp forests and rugged rocky reefs, lives a creature of majestic proportions, the king crab. These crabs are not just any ordinary crustaceans, they are the true monarchs of these cold waters. These armored giants, with their spiky, robust shells and long, spindly legs, are a sight to behold. Their unique appearance is not just for show, it serves as a formidable defense against predators. Join us on a journey as we delve into the fascinating world of the king crab. We'll explore their habitat, their diet, their unique life cycle, and the incredible adaptations that allow them to thrive in such a challenging environment. These crabs face numerous challenges, from evading predators to surviving in the extreme cold. Their resilience is a testament to their evolutionary success. From the icy waters of the Bering Sea to the deep, mysterious depths of the Gulf of Alaska, king crabs have carved out a niche for themselves in some of the most inhospitable places on Earth. King crabs play a crucial role in the marine ecosystem. They interact with a variety of marine life, from small fish to larger predators, creating a complex web of interactions that sustain the ecosystem. Their presence or absence has a ripple effect on the delicate balance of life in these cold, dark waters. Without them, the ecosystem would be drastically different, highlighting their importance in maintaining the health and stability of their environment. Witness the incredible process of molting, where king crabs shed their old shells to grow. This vulnerable time is crucial for their development and survival. However, their journey is fraught with danger, not just from natural predators, but also from human activities. The king crab fishery is a significant industry, and sustainable practices are essential to ensure their populations remain healthy. Conservation efforts and marine protected areas are vital in safeguarding these magnificent creatures and their habitats. By understanding and protecting the king crab, we contribute to the overall health of our oceans. So, as we explore the world of the king crab, we gain a deeper appreciation for these kings of the cold depths and the intricate marine ecosystems they help sustain. King crabs are creatures of the cold. They are built to withstand the harshest conditions, thriving where few other species can survive. They thrive in the frigid waters of the North Pacific Ocean, a vast and mysterious expanse that stretches across the northern hemisphere. Imagine a world where the sun barely penetrates the surface, where the temperature hovers just above freezing. This is their domain, a place of perpetual twilight and icy waters. The Bering Sea, known for its fierce storms and abundant marine life, is a prime location for king crabs. Here, the waters are rich with nutrients, supporting a diverse ecosystem. Here, they navigate a world of canyons, slopes, and vast, muddy plains. These crabs are adept at moving through this challenging terrain, using their powerful legs to traverse the seabed. Another important habitat is the Gulf of Alaska. This region is equally rich in marine life and offers a different set of challenges and opportunities for the king crabs. This region, with its rocky coastline and deep fjords, provides ample hiding places and feeding grounds. The crabs find shelter among the rocks and feed on the abundant marine organisms that inhabit these waters. The Gulf of Alaska is a dynamic environment, constantly shaped by the forces of nature, making it a perfect home for these resilient creatures. King crabs are not just survivors, they are also key players in their ecosystem. They interact with a variety of marine life, contributing to the balance of their underwater world. Their presence is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of life in the ocean's coldest regions. Despite their imposing size and fearsome claws, king crabs are not picky eaters. They are opportunistic omnivores, consuming a wide variety of prey. Their diet reflects the bounty of their environment. Mollusks, with their soft bodies and hard shells, are a favorite target. Clams, mussels, and even smaller crabs fall victim to their powerful claws. King crabs also scavenge for dead animals. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem by consuming carrion and recycling nutrients. The life cycle of a king crab is a remarkable journey of transformation. It begins with a microscopic larva drifting in the currents. This tiny creature bears little resemblance to the armored giant it will become. As the larva grows, it molts, shedding its exoskeleton and developing into a larger, more crab-like form. This process of molting continues throughout its life, allowing the crab to grow larger with each stage. Finally, after several years, the king crab reaches maturity, ready to reproduce and continue the cycle. Section 5. Dangers in the deep predators of the king crab. Despite their size and tough armor, king crabs are not invincible. They face threats from a variety of predators, both in the wild and from human activities. Octopuses, with their intelligence and flexible arms, pose a significant threat. They can squeeze into tight spaces and use their venomous beaks to paralyze their prey. Sea otters, playful and adorable as they may seem, are also formidable hunters, using rocks to crack open the crab's tough exoskeleton. Section 6. The human factor, fishing and its impact. Humans, however, are the most significant threat to king crab populations. The high demand for their delicate, flavorful meat has led to intensive fishing practices. Overfishing can have devastating consequences for the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Sustainable fishing practices are essential to ensure the long-term survival of king crab populations. Regulations are in place to limit the number of crabs that can be caught and to protect females and juveniles, allowing them to reproduce and maintain healthy populations. Section 7. Safeguarding the crown conservation efforts. The importance of king crabs, both ecologically and economically, cannot be overstated. They are a keystone species, playing a vital role in the health of their ecosystem. Their economic value supports livelihoods and industries. Conservation efforts focus on sustainable fishing practices, habitat protection, and research to better understand king crab populations and their role in the marine environment. By working together, we can ensure that these majestic creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. Section 8. Anatomy of a king. A closer look. Let's take a closer look at the remarkable anatomy of the king crab. These fascinating creatures are marvels of evolution, perfectly adapted to their harsh underwater environments. Their most striking feature is their hard, spiky exoskeleton, which acts as a suit of armor, protecting them from predators. This exoskeleton is not just for defense, it also provides structural support and helps prevent water loss in their saline habitats. They have 10 legs, but only the first 4 pairs are used for walking. The remaining pair, often hidden beneath their body, are specialized for reproductive purposes and grooming. The front pair are modified into large claws, one designed for crushing and the other for tearing. These powerful claws are essential tools for feeding, allowing the king crab to break open hard-shelled prey like mollusks and crustaceans. Their eyes, located on stalks, provide a wide field of vision, while sensitive antennae help them navigate their dark, watery world. These eyes can move independently, giving the crab a panoramic view of its surroundings, crucial for spotting both prey and predators. King crabs also undergo a fascinating process called molting, where they shed their old exoskeleton and grow a new, larger one. This process is vital for their growth and survival, but it leaves them vulnerable until the new exoskeleton hardens. Interestingly, king crabs are not solitary creatures. They often gather in large groups, especially during molting season, which provides them with some protection against predators. Their social behavior is a testament to their adaptability and survival instincts. Adaptable to various environments, king crabs can be found in rocky crevices, sandy bottoms, and even deep-sea habitats. Their ability to thrive in diverse conditions makes them one of the most resilient species in the ocean. Section 9. Beyond the red king crab, a world of diversity. While the red king crab is perhaps the most iconic, it's just one of several species. The blue king crab, with its distinctive bluish-tinged shell, is another commercially important species. The golden king crab, named for its pale yellow coloration, is a deep-water species found in the North Pacific. Each species has its own unique characteristics, habitat preferences, and life cycle. Section 10. King crabs and the ecosystem, a delicate balance. King crabs are a crucial part of the marine ecosystem. They are both predators and prey, influencing the populations of other species within their habitat. Their feeding habits help control populations of mollusks and other invertebrates. In turn, They serve as a food source for larger predators like octopuses, sea otters, and some species of sharks. This delicate balance is essential for a healthy and thriving ecosystem. A Section 11 conclusion: the future of the king. As we've discovered, king crabs are fascinating creatures that play a vital role in the marine environment. Their future depends on our understanding and respect for the delicate balance of the ocean. By supporting sustainable fishing practices and promoting research and conservation efforts, we can ensure that these majestic creatures continue to rule the cold depths for generations to come. Let's continue to explore, learn, and protect the wonders of our oceans.